Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we'll continue our discussion about the section of solids and where the section by a plane perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane. So in the last few lectures also I have discussed regarding this. So here I have taken a question which is related to the square pyramid and which the base side is given 40 mm and axis is 60 mm. Is resting on its base on the HP and a side of base parallel to the vertical plane. This is the condition given how the position of the square pyramid. Then after that it is asking to draw the sectional views and the true shape of the sections, and if it is cut by a section plane perpendicular to the vertical plane bisecting the axis. Okay, it is bisecting the axis, so it is dividing the axis into two parts, and its first question is parallel to the HP, second is inclined 45 degree to the HP, and third one is inclined 60 degree to HP. So these two are same, only the angles are different. So we'll discuss about this A and B question. So let's go to the AutoCAD here, and here I'll create the base by MB setup, and this is the procedure to draw the base, and immediately I'll just draw a line, a reference line, and first question if you see is given bisecting its axis which is parallel to the first question is parallel to the HP, and the axis need to be bisected, and we need to draw the sectional views for this and true shape of the object. Okay, so first I'll draw the diagram for this question number A, then for the question number B we'll go for the true shape when inclination is there. Okay, and here there is no inclination, we'll just draw the true shape of the object. We can get it directly here, and I'll just draw the sectional top view and sectional view front view. Will be just only see what is the portion is coming in the front side. So better we will start in the AutoCAD. Let go for the polygon, select the polygon here, and number of sides 4, then edge, select the edge here and select any one of the line this side. What is the edge side is there 40 mm, so 40. Okay, yeah, next what we'll do, we'll just draw the line from each of the corner vertically upward, and similarly just from the center point take this, and the height axis is given 60, go for 60, just join it and close it. Okay, now the next thing is we need to bisect this axis. So bisecting axis is nothing but 60 mm given, so we need to take 30. So take a distance of 30 and just draw a line, and this is actually our section line, our section plane which is bisecting the axis. Okay, this line we can just change its shape, line style. We'll go for the load, and here you can select one iso long dash dot line. We can select this, we can go for OK, and just select this, go for this line type, this one will just mark it. Okay, this one you can give. Anyway, the next thing is what we need to do is just draw the line. We'll just join the corner point to corner point, diagonal things will just join it. And the next thing is when the sectional plane is bisecting this one, so we need to project the top view, sectional top view. So I'll just join up to here, and from here again just I'll draw up to here. And the next is, see, these are the points what I got here, these are the sectional top view points. I'll just join all these things and I'll close it over. Now we can go for the trimming of part of this, and this one also you can just trim it, not require this. Okay, now we'll go for the what is the front view looks like, top view looks like. So we'll just highlight it So now I'm highlighting this top view and line weight setting, go for display line weight, okay it. Now okay. Now the next thing is I just need to draw the front view also. Yeah, completed. Now I'll just select this and I'll just again change its color and I'll highlight this also. Okay, so this is about the uh, front view location of view, how it is visible. Actually this line is not exactly the sectional plane line, so actually we need to take on behalf of this we can take another one line. The exact line is not given, I'm not getting in this, so yeah, iso dash dot line we can select. Otherwise let's change it, this one iso dot line. Okay, this one let it, because inside it should be thin, outside it should be thick. Actually we can change it like double times, we need to do that one. Okay, anyway, so the sectional view we need to draw in the top side, so I'll go for the hatching and I'll just pick this, I'll go for NC 31 and I'll just select this. So my work job was done here. And next thing I need to just give the dimension. Okay, so from the center point, from the top point to the here in the base, the axis height is 60 and one of the side of the square pyramid is 40 mm, and this is bisecting the axis. Okay, so this is about the first question. I hope first question we have completed, only that namings we need to mark it, so that also we can do it. So we'll do here text, single line text. So here we can go for how to mark it. So I'll give here ABCD point from here, A, B, and this is C, and this is our D point. Similarly it is, you can give it P, and this is Q, this is R, and this is S point. And similarly here we can give it O dash, and in the middle point we can give O, and similarly here it will get A dash comma B dash, and here it will be there C dash comma D dash, and in this point P dash comma Q dash, this point we can get C dash comma D dash, and here we can give the reference line XY. Yeah, any other thing is there, namings P dash Q dash R dash T S dash, and yeah, vertical trace we can give it there. Yeah, this is the line we can give, vertical trace V T. Okay, and any other things? Yeah, A dash B dash C dash D dash, everything. Yeah, completed mostly. So this is all about the first question answer, which is very simple. We also have discussed previous lectures related to this, but square pyramid was not discussed, some different objects. So now we'll come to the second question. In the second question, what is given, that it is bisecting at the middle and we need to draw the with an angle of 45 degree. So what I'll do, I'll just select this answer what I have drawn, and I'll just copy it. Okay, and I'll take it to a little bit this side. Okay, now this one also not copied. Okay, let it move it here, I will keep it here. Okay, and okay, no, just I'll copy this one, otherwise select this line, copy, enter, and from here to here I'll keep it here. Okay, and now this is not the point, so what I'll do, I'll just delete all these things, and this also will be deleted because that is not the exact answer for this. So you can just delete this, and this one what I'll do, yeah, just I'll join this again, one more line, I'll just join it to from here to there. Okay, and this also you can highlight it. Yeah, at least for up to this we I'll keep it like this, and this one leave it. This line also not required, this line also not required, this line also not required. Now this text also not required for me. Delete this. Okay, now okay, these things actually now it is parallel to this. Now what we need to do, if you see the question, it should be inclined 45 degree to the horizontal plane. Okay, so that one I'll just rotate it. Rotate, select this point, and I'll go with an angle of 45 degree. Okay. And after this I'll go for extend. I'll just do it like this. Okay, it's over. Mostly it is completed. And similarly, we need to just project the line from this each point. See, you see the point is there. I just draw up to here. It is possible, or else you can draw up to here last. Okay. Then similarly, from this point also need to be drawn the vertical trace line, you can say, that can be drawn here. And next thing is select the line, and these are the joining points are there. Just to join it, all these points, just to join it and close it. Okay, now the extra part is there, which can just trim it. Yeah, so now this thing's not required for us. Okay, so now if you want to measure the angle of this, also you can measure from here to the reference line or to the HP, that is 45 degree. Okay, now this one also we just need to, this is one line, enter, and from here to here one line, so that also need to be highlighted. So this, all these things, what I'll do is select and just increase the thickness of this. Okay, now this T can be shifted to here, and copy, paste can be here. This one you can write V now. And here this part, actually the hatching part, which is visible in the top side. So what I'll do, I'll just select this and I'll go for here. I'll just hatch it. Okay, this is my work is completed. But this is one part actually what we have completed. Till now we've done all the things, and the naming also you can mark it in the same way. But actually what they asked, we need to draw the true shape of the section. Okay, so true shape of the section that need to be drawn in separately. Up to here it is okay. So the true shape of the section can be drawn in the separate way. So what I'll do, okay, this name also let me copy it. I'll keep it here, PQ. This is not CD actually, this will be R dash. Why it is CD given? This is R dash and this is S dash. Okay, so let copy and paste it here. Yeah, similarly the names also we can copy from here, PQ, and I just can keep it here. This one a little bit down. Similarly this S and R point also I can copy, I can keep it here. Okay, mostly we have completed. The next part is for us, actually we need to draw a parallel line with respect to this, and we need to project this top sectional view on that. So what I'll do, this line, what I'll do, I'll just copy this line, select, and midpoint, let's select. Actually this is not moving in this way, so what I'll do, I'll just open up off and I'll project in this way. So I'll take a distance of suppose 40 mm and with an angle of 135. Why 135? Because it is perpendicular 90, again it is an inclination of 45. So I am taking height is 40 and inclination of 135. So this one no need to keep any section line, we just can keep any reference line like this. Okay, yeah. The next thing is we need to draw the vertical lines from here. Yeah, in this way. So I'll take a height of let's suppose 80 and sorry, Control Z, L enter, select this point and 80 tab 135. Okay, like that we need to draw. And same thing, just I can select this, I can copy, enter, from this base point to next base point I can keep it. Okay, my job is done mostly. The next thing is what I need to do, this projected view I need to keep it here. So what I'll do, I'll just go for a circle, and from here the reference point to up to here how much is there, I'll just select and I'll copy this one and I'll keep it here, because this is the reference line what I've taken. So I'll just keep it there, PO enter, point. So after giving P type, you can type and select any of the point style. Now same thing again, what I'll do, I'll just take it to back to here and from here to Q point, and now similarly just move it to here. Now this need to be extended, so what I'll do, EX enter, just extend it and give a point on this point here. Now again we just come back to the next position, yeah, and just move it from here to there. Now I got the S point. Okay, so S point again, PO enter, keep it here, and similarly just move it to here, OS, then OR, and I can move it to from here to there. Now similarly what I'll do, I'll just again extend this line from here to there, then I'll get the intersection point. Now the next thing is we need to give a point on this, so I'll give a point. Now this circle is not required for me, I'll delete it. Okay, now the next thing is we need to draw a line. We need to just join it, yeah, close it over mostly, and these things we can keep it here, or otherwise keep it like this. Let's see. The finally what we want to do, we just need to this point we can just we can delete it, select all these points and delete it, and go for the hatching and just keep it the hatching here. Now this hatching actually it should be an angle of 45 degrees, just change the angle here 45. Okay, now we'll get like this. Now this one you can just change its color if you want, go for change in color, and if you want to give the thickness you can give it. So if you don't want to give the thickness of this hatching, so you can just change it here, hatching only you can change, you can keep like this. Remaining things all are same, there is no difference on that, only this is the changes are there. Let's see, this is the true shape of the object, and that name also can be given P1, Q1, R1, S1. So the same thing we can get. Okay, and this is P dash, Q dash, R dash as just given. Similarly P point, where this one the P point, so just can mark it. What I'll do, I'll just copy this one. Okay, P point, I'll copy it here. Okay, now we'll edit it. This one P1, and this is Q1. I hope this is R1, and this is S1. So remaining all things are same, I hope. And now the other thing is there. Okay, here also same thing, we need to mention the distance, like what is the axis height is there, and bisecting distance how much, so that need to be given. You can keep it other side, again from center point to here, angle already I have given, and the base from here to here. Mostly we have completed everything. Yeah, VT, XY, A dash, B dash, C dash. Okay, anyway, completed everything. Now the next question is given with an inclination of 60 degree. In the similar way, how we have done for this 45 degree angle, similar way we need to draw with an angle of 60 degree. Then it may not cover up to the second generator, only one generator it is cutting. Again, before going to second generator, it was crossing the reference line here. So in that way, we need to draw also the same thing. Okay. So I hope you understood how to draw this section of solids for these different conditions. If you are having any kind of doubt query regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.